Want to check the battery health percentage on your Apple Watch? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple steps, so you can keep an eye on your watch's performance and know when it might be time for a battery replacement. Meanwhile, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who use an Apple Watch too. Now, let's start the procedure by going to the main menu on your Apple Watch. From there, tap on Settings. Scroll down just a bit until you see the option called Battery and tap on it. At the top of this screen, you'll notice your current battery percentage displayed clearly. Now, scroll down a little more and tap on Battery Health. On the next screen, scroll slightly again and you'll find the section called Maximum Capacity. This is your battery health. For example, if it shows 100%, that means your battery is in perfect condition. Over time, this percentage may decrease, which is completely normal as the battery goes through charge cycles. That's it. Now, you know how to check your Apple Watch's battery health anytime you want. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.